Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to pin pictures to Pinterest. Upload an image from your computer or phone to create a pin. You can also create and save pins from images to find online or create an ideas pin. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to open the Pinterest app on your device, and then in this page you have to tap your profile picture to open your profile. After that, you have to tap the plus button, and then in this pop-up you have to choose pin section, and then select a photo to upload, or tap the camera icon to take a photo, and then tap next. Add a title, description, and destination website. After that, you have to tap next. And then in this save to boards page, you have to tap create board to create a new board, and create your new board name. After that, you can choose you wanted this board be a secret or privacy or to public. And here I choose to make this board secret or privacy, then tap create, and you can see it here. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck!